the truth.
What is going on, guys? I'm Grizzly Bear Gamer. Welcome back to, I think it's episode, I want to say 5 of the Survival Island series. I'll have to check that. I'm pretty sure it's 5. In today's episode, we're gonna do a little hour mining session, and then I want to start building a guardian farm, a mob grinder, and then I might go over to the guardian farm and kill the big dude in the bottom of it. That's something I would like to get done, and then start designing the mine shaft with some of that. I'll test out some theories, but I want to get that done in this episode or next episode, or start working on that. I'm probably going to start working on it on next episode, but I want to figure out how to mine something, or not mine something with that, make something with that in a testing world, and we're gonna hop into that hour-long mining session, and I'll catch you after that. And music for the time lapse will be in the description down below. I probably will say that after this too, because I'll probably forget about it. And let's hop into that mining session. I'll see you guys later.
Just sit there watching me, lying alone, trying hard not to sleep. Your shadows like to watch me dream and mess with me and our memories. I would crawl back to you, I'm flying.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back from that time lapse. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I'll leave the music, the song title and who it's by in the description. And during that time lapse, wrong button, we started working on that guy, and hopefully he will produce some mobs. And then I think I sort of want to get started on our or try to get over to the end fortress, not the end fortress, the guardian farm, or the guardian temple that I want to make into a guardian farm. See if we can't start doing that. And yes, it's going to be a very risky, dangerous journey, and we probably should get some milk. It's not too far away from our home, so I don't think that I will need that much. I want to kill the main dude. That's what I want to do right now. I shouldn't have done that. Those were ready to go. I feel like crap now. Hell yeah. So, yeah, I want to try killing the big dude in this episode. Who, I know I have sheep, but that doesn't sound like a sheep eating the grass. I want the cows. I want you to love, and then I guess those guys. Okay. So let's, oh, it's almost nighttime actually. Let's wait until it gets nighttime. Find my boat. Where is my boat actually? Okay, it's in my docking area. Ooh, okay, I'm actually, in the next episode, we might farm a whole bunch of trees to build a dock. I think a dock would be quite lovely, nice looking. Okay, those are just extra storage. It is officially nighttime. Let's hit the hay really quick. Okay, so let's plant some trees. And during the time lapse, we made our tunnel down to the cave, and then I want to make like a nice like little walkway down in there instead of just stairs, and I want to make it out of that, or out of the stuff like that stuff, so it goes with the theme of, hey, we're in an area that's cold, but at the same time, like this build does not implicate that at all. Neither does that. These are just like the working foundations of me starting building stuff. We have enough sheep. I might hop in there and kill, what, 2 of them? Yeah, because mutton would be nice right now, and we need some food. Should I kill chickens? No. Are we missing a chicken? I swear, every time I look into this thing, we're missing a chicken. Huh. Okay, yeah, I guess only 2. Ooh, that could have been very bad. I forgot that the combat does that. When your group stuffs together, you can get a multiple hit on them, which I think is kind of weird. That's just being honest, like an honest opinion kind of thing. Like, it's a weird, like, thing to me. I don't understand why they did that. We got that going, and then put that there, that there. So hopefully, while doing this, the big guy doesn't try to kill me too much. It's the only problem I have. I'd like to not die from him. Let's get some gravel, actually. Put that there. We don't need that right now. And some sand. Like falling blocks. Those will be helpful when I'm gonna clear out the water. Yes. And then let's head over there really quick. I don't want to die, but if I die, it's like inevitable. And then I was watching videos talking about the boat, and I found out that there might be 2 there's the possibility of 2 chests being in there. Huh. Ow! He got me. Go back down. Oh! He's in my boat! And he can still hurt me. So I think that's a new feature where you hold shift and it drops you faster. Oh, I forgot about that feature. Okay, let's read this. I forgot my shovel. Oh wait, yeah, I wonder if he can hurt me while he's in here. Oh, no, but he can do that. Dude, calm down. I probably shouldn't bring him over to my island. Grab another one. We came here for my shovel, I think. I thought I had a shovel. There it is. And then, I needed something else. Oh yeah, ladders. Oh, we have some wood. There we go. Hopefully this is enough. Where is it? Shift click. That's definitely not going to be enough. I don't want to get rid of my big tree, so let's chop down these little dudes. The big tree is just like something that's gonna stay here forever. Do that, and do that, and then do that. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Do that, and then yeah, that should be enough. Finish that off, and then should I kill this guy that's in here? Screw it, why not? Dude, eat my ass. No, 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 no. Stop that! Well, that's great. Kelp. For a second I thought the big dude got out. I'm like, how? Then I'm like, oh wait, that's dirt. Oops. Please stop. That was weird. Okay, and then shovel this out. Do I have a pickaxe with me? Yes, I do. Can't hit him. He's just glitching through the top. Oh, there it is, mining fatigue. He gave me a spoon. Oh, wait, I have mining fatigue. Okay, let's get rid of that. Is he like right here? Where is he? Oh, he's right there. So this is gonna be my plan to clear this out. Obviously this isn't gonna be like the whole process of this, but this is how I'm gonna start this. You gave me mining fatigue, fuck. Screw you, buddy. Joke's on you, you're gonna die, so. Not agreeable, gotta go to the sand. Okay, there we go. And then this is all clear out, so now we can start doing this. Oh, mining fatigue. Now, I think there's 2 more of the big guys. I want to find him. Oh. Okay, let's run back up to our island really quick, get some more milk. And thinking of it now, I have enough for one to spare. So we might put him in the boat so we don't have to run back a bunch. What is that? Oh, it's the kelp I dropped. It's just a kelp. Do that, and then we need to come to the other side here. So have trees. Okay. Oh, baby, dude, obsessed with that. I don't want the little baby guy. I want one of you two. Let's go. I'm gonna utilize this dude. He's mine now. Once we get him in the boat, we're gonna sleep really quick before we go back over there. Oh, he lost interest with me. Hey. Hey. No. No, 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 no. 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 Where are you going? Let's go. Come on. Wrong species there. Matthew, let's go. Oh. Let's go. Hey. Look at the grass. Look at the... Oh. Look at the wheat. No, 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 no. Look at the wheat. Follow me. Let's go. Why is this so harder in this version of Minecraft? It like got ridiculously stupid. No, 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 no. I don't care if there's a drown right there. What are you doing? Dude. He's not even attempting to fight back. Did he drop another shell? Or is that just... I'm not sure. Alright, let's go to bed really quick. I always have to get this cow over there. I like boats. Oh. I can't hit him. I have an idea. There. And then do one here. So now, if I did this correctly, shoot. Oh, he does that, like the thorns buff, doesn't he? No, 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 no. Okay. He's so strong. How many hearts do these guys have? I'm just gonna... Wow, Mexican standoff. Let's go. Come on, come at me. I can't hit him. Why can't I hit you? Let me hit you. I'm gonna die. He does like the thorns damage. It's kind of weird. I just want to kill him. Oh, yes! Guys, we got him! Yes! He's tough. I have to figure out how I'm gonna... Ooh, I guess we have a sponge now, so we can start doing some work with the sponge. Yeah, there's another guy in there. He's probably in one of the lower chambers. That kind of sucks. Oops, wrong button. Oh yeah, we came back here to dry out the sponge, didn't we? Have an apple I can eat. How's the baby dude doing? No, he died. Darn. Not really, he's fine, guys. Don't call Pita. Okay, let's actually. If we're just gonna be doing work with one sponge, we might as well have that there. Okay, so we're heading back now to try and clear this top one out. I would like to find the sponge room that's in here, but that's dangerous. But I'm all through the game. That's nice. It dries fairly quick too. As soon as we clear this room out, I think I'm gonna end the episode with that nice conclusion of us completely wrecking him. That was nice. Only took a while. We used a lot of our sword. Yeah, I did it with a diamond sword and armor. Oh, spoon. Do I have a bucket of milk? It's gonna take a while with one sponge. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video here. I will clear this out off screen. Guys, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.